Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start our next topic, partners capital account. So let me start. Partners capital account. पार्टनरशिप में हमें पार्टनर्स के कैपिटल अकाउंट बनाना है, तो हमारे पार्टनरशिप फर्म में सेपरेट कैपिटल अकाउंट इज मेंटेन्ड for each partner because each partner has a separate transaction with the firm. ठीक है बच्चों? So suppose we have two partners of a firm, let the two partners be A and B, then we will make a partner capital account in which we will draw two columns, one of A and one of B. ठीक है? So this is the main introduction in which we will say that each partner has a separate transaction. Each partner has separate transactions with the firm, due to which we have to make column for each and every partner. Then the partner's capital account may be maintained by using any of the two following methods. First, we have a method of fixed capital accounts method, and second method is fluctuating capital accounts method. Fixed capital account method means a partner has to maintain two accounts. One is a partner's capital account and the another one is of partner's current account. Why we make the two accounts in fixed capital account method? So, in fixed capital account method, we make two accounts, of one of capital account and another of current account. One of capital account and another of current account, and the main reason is in the capital account we will pass only those entries which are related with the fixed capital. So as we say by the name of this topic that the fixed capital account method, fixed capital means the capital which is invested by each partner. वो कैपिटल जो हर पार्टनर इन्वेस्ट करता है फर्म में and which remains fixed or altered unless एक पार्टनर या तो एडिशन करता है कैपिटल में या फिर कोई कैपिटल विड्रॉ करता है. तो फिक्स कैपिटल अकाउंट में वी विल मेक टू अकाउंट्स, दैट इज कैपिटल अकाउंट मेथड एंड करंट अकाउंट पार्टनर फॉर each and every partner. In capital account will show the same balances year to year and changes will be only if a capital is introduced or a capital is withdrawn. If a capital is introduced, as we know, a capital always has a credit balance by balance BD. A capital is always has a credit balance. So when a capital has been introduced, when additional capital is introduced, then the capital account is credited. Then we will pass entry cash or bank account debit to partner's capital account. The partner which will be introducing new capital, that account will be credited. In the same way, if a partner has withdrawn any amount, then if a partner has withdrawn any amount, then what will happen? Then we will debit it to the capital account. That is, we will pass the entry over here, that is to cash or balance bank account. This is for drawings. And then we will get a net balance of to balance CD. In this way, our partner's capital account will be made. So here in the same format as we used to make the accounts particular and the partner's capital account, and this we all have to do in rupees. Done. So पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट में सिर्फ वो ट्रांजेक्शन्स आएंगी, वो ट्रांजेक्शन्स, first of all it is a fixed capital account, and in this only those transactions will come which are in addition to capital, or if a partner has withdrawn any amount of money, that is our drawing, then only a change will come in this partner capital account. Otherwise year to year this capital account will be the same. Only two entries will be there. One is of introduction of capital and the second is of the withdrawal of the capital. If there is an introduction or additional capital is introduced, then the partner's capital account will be credited, and if there is a drawing of capital, then the partner's capital account will be debited. So but here we have two accounts, that is partner's capital account and partner's current account. So all the rest of the transactions which are after this we will pass in partner's current account. Partner current account is maintained to record all the transactions other than the transactions which are related to the main fixed capital. For example, all the transactions like interest on capital, interest on drawing, interest on drawing, and commission, salary, all these transactions will cover over the partner's capital current account. Okay. So let's make a format. The format will be same as we used to make of every account: particulars A, B, particulars A and B. This will all be in rupees. So we always have a balance over here by balance B. So this balance can be over here or here. Yes, the partner's current account balance can be on debit side or even on the credit side. It can be credit or even debit. टू बैलेंस BD, और इन दोनों में से या तो ये होगा या ये होगा, और ठीक है. तो इसमें वन वी विल ऐड बाय इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, क्योंकि ये पार्टनर को गेन होता है, पार्टनर को मिलता है कैपिटल के ऊपर इंटरेस्ट. देन बाय कमीशन, कमीशन अगर पार्टनर को कमीशन मिल रहा है तो देन वी विल ऐड इन दिस. बाय सैलरी, अगर पार्टनर को सैलरी मिल रही है देन वी विल राइट ओवर हेयर. Then by share of profit, that is profit and loss appropriation account, हम profit and loss appropriation account का balance इधर transfer करते हैं. And here can be to interest on drawing, and to profit and loss account. अगर कोई भी लॉस आया है, हमें पार्टनर को, किसी भी पार्टनर को लॉस फेस करना पड़ा है, देन दैट पर्टिकुलर पार्टनर विल बी डेबिटेड. एंड देन वी गेट टू बैलेंस CD. So in partners capital account we will always pass only two transactions. One is the addition of capital and second is the withdrawal of capital. And all the transaction other than these which we have done in our capitals account, that will come over here, that is the interest on capital, any commission, any salary given to the partner, that will be credited to his account and his account will increase. But any amount which is a withdrawal of capital in the form of interest on drawing will debit the partner's capital account. Fine. So in fixed capital account method, the partner's capital is always fixed. That is why we always make two accounts. Then in partners fluctuating capital accounts method, there is always one and only one account that is named as partner's capital account. All the transactions, like all these transactions which we have earlier recorded in two parts, now it will cover in only one account only. So that means if all the transactions will cover over here, then the balance in the capital account fluctuates with each and every transaction. So any capital account having credit balance will be shown on the liability side, and all the capital accounts having debit balance will be shown on the asset side. Fine. So let me make particulars. A, B, rupees, particulars, A, B, rupees, then we will follow the proper format. Otherwise we can also write these all the transactions, right? So यहाँ पे और क्या एंट्रीज हो सकती हैं? By addition of capital, सबसे पहले balance BD. Balance BD can be on the credit side over here also, or it can be on the debit side if there is a debit balance of any particular partner. Then by cash or bank, additional capital होगी हमारी. By interest on capital, जो यहाँ पे हम पोस्ट करते थे वो यहीं आ जाएगा, और ये कैश ऑन बैंक इसका इधर आ गया और इसका भी ये इधर आ जाएगा. By commission, commission will always also come over here. Salary will also come here. And profit and loss appropriation account, जो कि हमारा शेयर है पार्टनर का, that will also come over here. Then over here 2 cash और बैंक, जो कि हमारी ड्राइंग्स होंगी, जो यहाँ पे हम ट्रांजैक्शन करते हैं वो इधर आ जाएगा. 2 इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग, जो एक पार्टनरशिप फॉर्म के लिए इनकम है लेकिन पार्टनर को देना पड़ेगा तो उसकी कैपिटल रिड्यूस हो जाएगी, इसीलिए यहाँ पे इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग आएगा. 2 प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट, अगर किसी भी पार्टनर को किसी भी ट्रांजैक्शन से लॉस सफर हुआ है देन इट विल कम ओवर हियर. देन वी विल गेट टू बैलेंस CD. So the main difference over here is in fixed capital account method there are 2 accounts, that is partner capital and current account. In fluctuating there is only one account. In fixed we will make assumption, we will say that the partner's capital will always, these are the 2 methods. We will always say in partner's capital account that the partner's capital account will be the same every year except 2 transactions, these, that is additional or the withdrawal of the capital, right? But over here in fluctuating capital there are all the transactions recorded because the capital is termed as fluctuating, and each and every capital transaction will fluctuate the account, and the balance over here can be on this side or even on this side, can be on the credit side. Okay, so this is the main difference. तो fixed capital account का balance always shows the credit balance, but fixed capital account का balance always shows the credit balance here. But in fluctuating capital it can be on the debit side. Fluctuating capital का balance debit भी हो सकता है, ठीक है जी, because it fluctuates the each and every transaction fluctuates the capital. So now we will do 2 questions from your book. Before that, in one question we will cover a topic, that is a topic from your book. What will we do if the net profits are less than the total amount appropriated? Okay, we will cover this topic. So now let's do our next question. Please read the question.